Pressing wrong button. Yeah, KFC is over there. I don't know if you can see. Can you just about see KFC? Yeah, you should be able to. It's in view. It's like a nice little business center, like you know, where you have all kinds of restaurants and shopping arcade or shopping area. Yeah, it's a little one, big enough, you know. So I thought I'd come here because I find the car park is very big, and I knew I would have time and space to do what I needed to do. So yeah, much ado about nothing. So let me crack on. So anyway, as I was saying, yeah. So I thought I'd stop over and then do this video quickly. Right. So yeah. So like as I said earlier, very thankful. This year has been a revelation. Right from January. Last year I wasn't that great, not because I didn't do well financially, or work-wise, but that was an issue, a leftover issues from my experts in Uganda. I will say Uganda, to be precise. That didn't go very well. I still haven't finished business there, so I'll leave that off camera for now. It's a very sensitive issue. I don't know how long it's going to take or how long it's going to last for. But I would say, yo, my friend.
Oh, okay.
How are you, alright?
So far good, yeah. Getting along slowly.
Yes. I'm just doing a video. Come and say hello to my viewers. Come here.
Your viewers.
Yes,
Yeah.
come here, man. This is my new friend.
Hello.
This is my new friend here.
Chin
hello.
chin.
Yes. He's saying hello. He walks around the corner. So, yeah. It's good to see working people.
It's YouTube, YouTube.
Yes.
Oh, YouTube, yeah.
People that like to work for their money, not sit around and wait for money to come to them.
Yeah, man. Try to make my video. Thank you, bud, man.
What's your name again?
Harry.
Harry.
Yeah.
You're Harry.
Harry, yeah.
That's a lovely name. Prince
Harry.
Harry.
Prince
I
Harry.
love Prince Harry.
You love Prince Harry,
Yeah.
Oh, right.
He's been a naughty boy, but he's alright.
Harry always be Harry, man. He won't change.
Tell me about it.
Yeah.
All Harrys are the same.
All Harrys are the same,
Yes. They're all the same.
All the same.
Yes.
They've got this kind of look.
Yeah, I know, yes. I know. Harrys are all the same.
Yeah.
Alright, you carry on. Cheers.
Well, always,
And I'll
yeah.
see you
Cheers,
soon,
yeah.
okay?
Absolutely. Take care of yourself. Keep it real.
Yes, I will do. So, anyway, as I was saying, yeah, just keep it real. Be grateful. Be grateful. There are lots of ungrateful people in this world. Yeah, especially some places where they actually need help. There's one saying that I've heard time and time again that it's very difficult to help people at the lowest ladder, poor people in general, than people who are just about who are getting it together, so to speak. So yeah, I'll leave that for now. Maybe in future I will get to tell you more about the details of where I'm getting. But moving on. So anyway. So the reason for this video is good news, as I said. Let me just say that I'm very pleased and honored to say to you that I've just purchased my first ever electric vehicle. Yeah. Reason being, I thought I should do something remarkable for myself this year. You know. I wanted to treat myself, because for the past 2-3 years hasn't been really, I've not bought anything significant for myself. Like I said, I have this issue in Uganda that has been a headache, but I was hoping that I would be able to manage or be, accommodate it as part of my day-to-day life in terms of businesses. But it didn't work out the way I planned it, so let's leave it out. So anyway, yeah. So I bought myself this brand new electric vehicle, my first ever electric vehicle. This is gonna be the title of this video. So yeah, I want to share the experience of electric vehicles with you. Really, is reasons for this video. Yeah. So I had options of 3 vehicles. I was thinking, when Nissan Leaf first came out as an electric vehicle, I was really in love with it. And then Tesla was also around. I was in love with Tesla also. And then I wasn't sure which one to go for really. I wasn't particularly sure which one I will go for, whether to stick to Tesla or because of the very fancy and it's well known and it looks good, it looks cool, or go for Nissan Leaf for price, because obviously Tesla costs more than Nissan Leaf. Nissan Leaf is about, I believe it's still going for about £30,000. Quality tester, regardless of any models you choose, whether model Y or X, or whichever, I think they're going for around about 45, between 45 and 55 each. Teslas. So yeah, so I was, deliberating about what should be my first electric car. And then all of a sudden, I went for a friend of mine mentioned South Korean car to me, and I said, "What? Kia? Yeah, Kia. I've seen their garages all around London," and I'm thinking, "Oh man," because when you're talking about South Korea is still a baby when it comes to car manufacturing. They haven't been around long, and I'm not so sure about the quality or or I would get value for money. But anyway, I was convinced to go for a test drive. I did, even though Kia wasn't even in the plans. I was thinking, I just had 2 options, either Nissan Leaf or Tesla. So anyhow, I went for this to test drive this car, and lo and behold, I just fell in love with it. So after that, let me have a sip. I just got myself my Dunham's cappuccino to keep me awake. So I don't chat rubbish. And if I'm chatting rubbish, you can somehow get a dictionary. Listen to the video once again or again and again to try to understand what I'm trying to say. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, so I went to test drive this Kia, and I fell in love with it. And since then, I went away from the garage thinking, wow, South Korea is not actually, one of the countries you will say, are known for great, they don't have a history of great car manufacturing there. They just came along, like Malaysia, like the Chinese also producing cars. So anyway, cut a long story short, here I am. I ended up owning my first ever electric car, which turns out to be the South Korean car. So I drove away. A few days later, the Niro EV2 Kia Niro. So anyway, this car being not even in one of my 2 options. I've now been I have made it my first option. but in future I'm going to also, at the minute I'm just cruising it around, driving it around, and love it. It's value for money. The body is really nice. I'm going to show you around. I've got all the windows open and everything right now. I'm going to show you the car, and then I will do, show you how it works, what to expect from an electric car, what's important, the pros and cons. In London, the benefits, you do benefit a lot. Also, depending on the type of job you do, some companies offers you what you call your carbon footprint, prices on certain things if you drive an electric car. Yeah, so all of that anyway. But I'm going to go in stages. I'll do the body, I'll do the inside, I'll do the interior, then I'll open the bonnet, and etc. etc. We just have a quick chat and the controls, how it works, maintenance, how much it costs to charge. It's not free anymore. So yeah. So anyway, I went for a test drive and I ended up with the Kia Niro EV2. Now, this car is effing amazing. Because it's my first electric car, the first ever electric car I'm ever going to own. I was very impressed with it. I don't know how I would have felt if I had chosen Nissan Leaf or Tesla, but for now it's doing the business for me as an electric car. Yeah. So I'm going to show you around the body. So you should come with me. I'll show you what the body looks like. It's very nice car, clean, well designed. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, a little bit of good news. Yeah, let me put my face up. Yeah, a little bit of good news. I know it's very cold. Yeah, I don't know if you can see me properly, but I'm gonna try and let me see if I can get stuff focused. Yeah, is that better? Yeah, I've got good news. Yeah, it depends on how you look at it. Yeah, so I'm on my way this morning to a contract that I've just managed to win, doing delivery work and lorry, involving lorries and stuff, and anyway, cut a long story short, yeah, they just came to me with a contact with a friend I've known for some time. I've always been involved in lorry driving as my side hustle from my IT work. So I got this work. Yeah, I have to say I'm very thankful. Also, I'm also going to say, wherever you are in the world, always remember people that's helped you in the past, because you never know where you might bump into each other or where you might need them again. So yeah, so I have to say, this contract has been amazing. In fact, it's kicked off this year for me like massively huge, in terms of earning potentials, and yeah, I've been literally up and down since January. Yeah, thanks be to the Almighty up there, and yeah, so I just want to share that with you quickly before I go on to the reason why I'm actually doing this video right here. Let me show you where I'm at. I'm on my way, as I said, to this job, so I thought I'd stop over and just do a quick podcast. Stop at KFC. KFC is over there. Where is Mr. KFC?
Did you go somewhere else?
Yeah, but which one is the nearest?
Honestly, I don't know.
This is the problem I have. I had to have a look around, and she wanted to come, but she couldn't because she's at work.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And I'm working as well, so we couldn't
What do you
both.
work, sir?
I work at I do Uber.
Uber, yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah. Huh?
She?
She works for British Telecom. She's one of the accounting
Wow, good.
manager there. All right, Chief.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just new here. That's why I thought.
You're new. You didn't tell me you were new.
Well, I'm not.
Are you lying to
I'm
customer?
not. I'm not giving all
You
my
told them
secrets.
that you are senior.
You give me all the secrets away. I need discount. Why did you say 17,975 there? And top says.
Well, we give the option to the customer, so whichever one we want to pay.
Oh, very funny.
Yeah.
No, she's gonna. We're gonna sit down and deliberate over it,
Yeah.
and then we'll decide. This is a leaf as well, isn't it?
Yeah, this here.
So why are you not selling them?
Say again?
We're
Why?
selling lots of them, sir.
We've got lots of them, man.
But why are they discontinued?
Because they're coming with a new shape, sir.
They said micro is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, micro hybrid as well. Yeah.
Not hybrid, not electric.
Oh, electric.
The
Oh,
backpack
okay.
coming full electric.
So this one petrol, they're gonna do electric now, yeah?
Come on, man. The Leaf will
this,
never be.
Leaf is always electric, man.
Oh,
Please
okay.
find them
Sorry,
a
I'm
job,
learning.
man. Do you need an assistant or anything?
Leaf is always electric, boss.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. Even he did it.
Even I know that. I don't work here.
Management, they blame me because I'm not teaching him well. If he done any mistake,
Well, it's your fault. 'Cause you're not training him properly. You're not training him
Thank
properly.
you for taking my side. So I'm learning from him.
Okay, so I can take this back to her, and then just have a look on the inside. It's
So
pretty
this one
standard.
registered in September 24, so the warranty will be till September 27
Right. Okay.
on the car
Yeah,
itself.
yeah.
While for the hybrid battery, electric battery, sorry, till September, just count 8 years, so 32.
8 years after that. Okay.
32.
And then that's when your warranty will be off.
That's fine.
Right. Okay. All right.
Definitely these cars are
Boot size I need to see. How much luggage
How
can
many
you
liters you
open?
mean?
Yeah.
You get the key.
Just want to see the boot size and that's it.
It's massive.
Is it?
Yeah. Let me grab the key for
All
you.
right. You got it. It's open, yeah?
Yeah.
I can hear it click. Oh yeah.
It's massive.
Yes, I like it.
Yeah,
Oh
I
yeah,
like
and
it.
also the this is what I like the most. The seats can be folded.
Yeah.
The seats come down.
Yeah. Deep roots. Yeah, charges.
But trouble is, if the seats come down,
Yeah. Can do it from here. Oh no, sorry.
you can't.
Yeah, it's from here. Sorry, from here, from the top.
Okay, hold on. Oh, it folds forwards. Nice. Yeah, so I got you. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Because I'm thinking that it will come down and level with the so that you get like a.
Not with the same level.
Yeah, no, you're not getting. All right, okay, cool. Let's have a look. Oh, there's nothing there. Oh, there's batteries underneath.
It's under the seats.
So okay, cool. All right then.
Yeah.
I should go back to the missus.
Do you want me to reserve it for you?
Um.
If she's really, because look, this car like it sells. Like we got few, all the car other branches they got access to our stock as well.
Is it?
So if you want, I can reserve it for you if you tell me by.
5% for the whole year. Plus you'll receive £400 when you sign up and take 5 trips. Turn downtime into prime time.
Yo. So, yeah, this is one of my electric car options. I'm currently at the Tesla garage. Yes, so yeah, you're having a look around. Oh, the boat is a bit small. It's much smaller than the Nissan Nero actually. Huh, I don't know. Anyway, that's it. The interior is fabulous. Okay, I have a decision to make between the Nissan Leaf, Kia Niro and Tesla, so I should be making my mind up. Okay guys, this is one of my options. Tesla. Let's see, let's have a look. Oh. Big enough. Okay, that's it. Wrap. Oh, sorry, is that your car? No. So there is very nice car. As you can see, this is the body. From this side, I got some stuff on there. And there you go. Yeah, so anyway, this is the car. So anyway, as I was saying, this is the car. Anyway, as I was saying, this is the car. What it looks like. There's the car. Yeah, from this angle you can see what the car is like. Very nice quality. Gonna open the bonnet later. Hello. How you doing? Good? Good. Good. That's my tea there. Yeah, I'm also planning to give it a good clean up. I've abused it for the past few days since I got it. So yeah, that's it really. It's a very nice car, very fast. It does the business as an electric car. So this is the boot. It's good size boots. Yeah, you got all the compartments here where you put all your gear for charging. Let's see. I'm trying to. Yeah, can you see that? The compartments there. That's your charger, charging equipment, etc., etc. Yeah, it's been good. Right, so as I was saying, this is it. As this is what the body looks like. Let me close this so you can get a good view. Yeah, it's a nice car, good size. It passes in between executive and normal saloon. Yeah. So yeah, this is what the car looks like as far as the body goes. Big solid tires for an electric car. I think it's very well built and designed. Yeah, so comparatively, it stands, it stands on the same level with any other car of similar usage, or similar model. Yeah, so this is what the body looks like. Yeah, the front is good. It looks amazing. Let's see. Yeah, that's the front there. I don't want people to start chasing me with the registration, because you can somehow, the way it works in the UK, you can trace people by logging in the car registration. So I'm not going to show the number plate. Yeah, so ladies and gents, this is my new baby, my new toy, my new presents for myself. You can call it late Christmas and New Year's present. Yeah, so yeah, then I'm going to, later on, I will show you the interior. And yeah, and thank you for watching. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good year, and I hope you'll be able to get what what any gadgets that's required, that's functional for you. This will work for me. I do travel up and down the country a lot, and I mean a lot. Electric car is just what I need. So I thank friends and colleagues and work and yeah, people around to make this possible. So yeah, as far as the body, this is it. And yeah, I will show you the interior later. Okay, for those of you who've never seen the engine of an electric car, it's not much to it really. Not much to it at all. So this is what it looks like. The engine is not really, you got your battery as normal, and then you got what else you got? yeah, you got this little storage compartment there, and then you got the water, antifreeze. Yeah, you got the usual, the necessities. And then down there is where the batteries are, the big massive battery that you charge. Believe you me, that battery is not the battery that moves the vehicle. That's not what you're driving on. That's just what they call it is a starter battery, like you get usually. That's big battery right underneath. Yeah, because electric car don't have combustion, so you don't have all of the razzmatazz that that you would get. You still have a coolant. You have your your washer, your bits and pieces, everything else that you get. But as you can see, it's just built different. Yeah, you get your oil. Where oil is needed. Yeah, so that's it basically. It's a Kia. Yeah, so I hope to enjoy it at least for some time until I get fed up of it, and maybe time to move on to Nissan Leaf, and then eventually I'll probably will end up with a Tesla. I like Tesla, though it's expensive, but from what I've heard from the research I've made is that it's actually cheaper to charge Tesla than all these cars, all the electric vehicles, and I'll explain to you why later. Later in the video, when I'm dealing with all the maintenance and the cost and everything else. Okay guys, this is the bonnet, this is the engine compartment. I'll show you the book already. Yeah, okay, and this bit here, without allowing you to see my number plates. Okay, this bit here is where you charge. That's where the cable goes into. The cable goes into there, and then you plug it. You can't miss it really. It's just like you charging your phone. You will know which end goes to where. It's just as simple as that. Yeah, and then those 3 green light tells you when it's fully charged. It goes in 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So it's a nice car. I will video myself driving it also, so you can see how smooth it is, what sort of gadgets it comes with, what sort of warnings you get with it. Yeah, it's an interesting car. Being produced by South Korea, you have to give them that. These guys are trying. I like to support underdogs. I'm not going to criticize the car too much. All I can say is good on them. Lots of people are now driving a Kia model today because of the gadgets it offers. So I have to give it to South Korea for that. They've done well. Okay guys. Yeah. I think I've been chipping out the wheels a bit there. See that? It's quite good size wheels as well. Amazing. It's a good car. Okay guys, yeah, this is the story of my, well, not completed yet. It's, part of the story of my first electric car. So I'm going to later on show you the interior, which is not much really to see, apart from it's brand new, and the controls, that I will show you as I'm driving one day, and then I'll put everything together, and then I'm going to show you some of the new gadgets that's new to me, from the controls. Yeah, and that's it really. Yeah, so I'm still hoping that it will be a fantastic addition to my collections of experience, opportunity to drive an electric vehicle and owning one. Thank you very much, and yeah, nice watch, and see you in the next video. Have a good one. Ciao.